What if your worst habits could actually become the key to your success? I used to struggle with habits that held me back, but I found a way to transform them into strengths. In this video, I'll show you how I did it and how you can too. Hey everyone, welcome to Stimulating Minds. If you're new here, we talk about personal growth, mental health, and how to become the best version of yourself. Today, I'm sharing how I turned my worst habits, things that were draining my energy, into my best habits that are now driving my success. Whether it's procrastination, overeating, or staying up too late, the process I'm going to show you can help you turn any bad habit into a positive one. So let's dive in. The first step to transforming your habits is recognizing the ones holding you back. For me, it was procrastination and late night snacking. I knew these habits were sabotaging my progress, but I didn't fully understand why. The key to identifying your worst habits is being honest with yourself. What are the things you do every day that negatively impact your life? Once you know what they are, you're ready to move to the next step. Bad habits often have deeper roots than we realize. For example, my procrastination was a way to avoid stress, and my late night snacking was driven by boredom. You have to understand the why behind your habit before you can change it. Take a step back and ask yourself, what triggers this behavior? Is it stress, boredom, or something else? Understanding the trigger helps you interrupt the cycle and make room for positive changes. Now, here's where the transformation happens. Once I understood my triggers, I began replacing the negative habits with positive ones. Instead of procrastinating, I started breaking tasks into smaller chunks and rewarding myself for completing them. Instead of snacking out of boredom, I replaced it with drinking water or stretching for a few minutes. The key here is to not just stop the bad habit, but replace it with something that brings value. Every time you catch yourself slipping, switch gears and do something productive or healthy. Consistency is crucial when transforming bad habits into good ones. It's not going to happen overnight. You need to be patient and stay committed. One thing that helped me was tracking my progress. I kept a journal where I noted how often I replaced a bad habit with a good one. Over time, I saw the positive habits start to take over. Remember, the more consistent you are, the stronger your new habits will become. Turning your worst habits into your best habits isn't just possible, it's life-changing. By understanding your triggers, replacing bad habits with positive ones, and staying consistent, you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve. If you found value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips on personal growth and self-improvement. Let me know in the comments. What's one bad habit you want to transform, and how will you do it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.